What's good, y'all? We back with another video, man. How y'all doing, man? If y'all doing great. Today we got scary videos filmed by Doorbell cameras. Who invented Doorbell cameras in the first place? It's a good question. I don't even care. Get into the video.
Number 5.
The world?
What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire of 2019.
They trying to hurt me. Get
The homeowner writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home.
God dang, bro.
Get your dog!
People were evacuated only minutes before the fire approached. Los Angeles Magazine reports that the tick fire burnt through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people. Luckily, no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home.
Playing in like Arizona, like California, all them high like alert states. States, and like they high in heat and stuff like that, bro. Stuff like that gonna happen, man. So you
was miraculously saved.
Crazy, bro.
Number 4. It's everyone's worst nightmare. A home intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
Breaking in the middle of the night. What the hell?
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice.
What time it is?
This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage.
What do you need?
But then the man came into the house.
What?
Hey, what do you need, dude?
Prepare to pass the
What the world?
exam the first time.
How you get in the house though? Like the door was just open?
Oh, I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f are you?
Could be me, bro. Man. Alright.
Go it. Robbie.
The homeowner doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
Somebody's got the back door, dude. Yo. For real.
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I'm not joking, dude.
Man, it's not crazy, bro. Like, why is his door? Why was his door open in the first place, though? Man.
Number 3.
See, tripping, bro.
You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker.
What they got going on, man?
He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit anxious. He tries to force the door.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
Notice
bro.
he does so with a glove. No prints. Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime.
Damn, man. Like,
Then he calls someone on the radio.
That's why you gotta have your, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Gotta have your shit on you, bro. Like, you never know what's gonna happen, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's not like that, bro. Like, imagine like a little kid was home, bro. He opened the door, bro. That nigga opened the door, bro. He deserved to get shot at. Like, why are you doing this, bro?
His partner arrives.
Ain't two white guys, too, bro. That's crazy.
Armed with the tools to break in. In short order, they try and force the door.
Man, see, that's on dead. Oh my God, bro. Man, bro. It's on make me
plan
mad
is soon
even watching
thwarted.
this one, bro.
Get away from the door.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away.
Come on, get away from the door.
And triggering an alarm.
I'm glad nobody went home because, well, then again, I wish somebody was home.
Number
That
2.
shot at- Damn, them folk ready.
Would you open the door if the police came dressed like this? These 2 suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner. They're knocking at 3 in the morning.
What? 3 in the morning? You think I'm gonna answer that bit? I'm gonna come out that bit. What's going on? Oh, my fault. You feel me? Like, come on, bro. It's on dead.
When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's
Like,
sick.
come on, bro. That shit dead. Like, nigga
He
be,
tries again.
nigga be crazy, bro. To my CPD, open up, ask you a couple questions.
At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on,
crazy,
but these guys
man.
are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Man, bro, it's not crazy, bro.
Okay, give me a second.
What's up?
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the US average.
Damn. I ain't know this shit.
There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019.
Damn, but niggas hitting stains out there, boy. Shit not happening in Columbus, though. Columbus, Georgia, that. It's happening in Columbus, Ohio, nigga, not Georgia. Yeah.
They try knocking again.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way.
So you telling me they don't hit them sirens, bro? Like, what? Bro, I don't understand, bro. I don't understand these niggas, bro.
Finally, they give up, and they walk away empty-handed.
Man, ain't no way, boy.
Number 1.
Nah, I feel like a little old white lady. Oh yes, how y'all doing? What y'all need today, man? They gonna kick that bit open. Boom! Get on the ground. Ah! They show it, boy.
They'll tour through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then
God
listen
dang,
to this.
boy. They whole house getting took in the. It's all crazy, bro. I couldn't imagine being on a tornado or no hurricane like that. What he driving for? He Bro, man, driving, he ain't get the memo? You see the man, bro? Oh, this is house.
This is
That John crazy, bro. Folk trying to got them breaking people crib at 3 in the morning. Who's opening the door at 3 in the morning, bro? Like, come on, you gotta, like, you just hold on, bro. It's John crazy, bro. Man, hope you guys like the video. It's John crazy, man. And yo, bro, see y'all tomorrow, man.